Hell yeah.
Yo, so what's going on, YouTube and the world out, right? If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, all the good stuff, right? Today I have a different type of video. If y'all know that, or if y'all been using Babyliss, y'all know about the Gold FXs, y'all know about the clippers that they have, and also the shavers. With the FX trimmers and the clippers, they were letting everyone get custom, your custom colors and everything. And now they have added the shaver to the list. So pretty much what I'm going to do is go through the website for those who haven't seen it, or go through the app for those who haven't seen it. Now they have the app on their phone, which is the Custom FX app from Babyliss Pro. You can also do it through the website online, but you have to go to the Babyliss website, then you go to the drop menu and go to the Custom FX app. But today I'm gonna show it on my phone and show you how to navigate it a little bit. All right. They also have new rubber grippers that have dropped as well, so we're gonna see if we can add those to the design. I don't know what colors I'm gonna pick, but as you can see, I got my phone laid out here, screen recording my phone, let y'all see what I'm doing. All right. So you got the Custom FX app, of course, boom, click. Nice little design that pops up, or design. Nice little video that pops up, lets you see everything. Warning, unlimited possibilities. You just click on start building. All right. Let everything load up, let everything come. So as you can see, they got the Custom FX clippers, they got the trimmers, and they have the foil shaver. It's the single foil shaver. You go down here, they have also the certified pre-built clippers, and also they have other items, essential barber kit, grooming to the bag. They have other things that you can also add. If you want to look and buy anything from from Babyliss, if you're looking to buy anything from Babyliss, whether it's the Custom FX app or anything that's on their website, you can use my discount code Reggie10, save you a couple dollars. All right, they got the low pro trimmers and clippers that just came out. So so we're gonna start customizing. We're just gonna go through this, let you see everything. They have it set up too, very nice. They let you see, as you can see, as I twirl everything around, they let you change the levers, the blades, everything. So we're gonna go through this real quick. I don't even know what colors I really want to go with, but you start with the housing, and as you can see, they have plenty of colors to choose from. Sometimes they don't have colors in. The black at the moment is not available. So you know what we're gonna do? I'm a Tennessee Vol, Knoxville native, so we're just gonna do a whole set of orange and white, right? But you can do any color you want. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go orange. We're gonna go to the handle. They'll show you everything as well. So I got the orange for the top part. We're gonna go to the handle and do orange and white. Boom. I'm not gonna go too crazy. I've seen a lot of them though that's got a lot of mixtures of colors, but they're nice. They're nice. All right. So we're gonna go to the plate. They do have black on the plate. Maybe I put black on the plate, change it up a little bit, add something to it. And since I'm gonna show you what blade I'm gonna get. So I'm gonna keep that like that. On the bottom cap, which is down here, you can change that as well. So we're gonna go orange. No, we're gonna go white on the plate as well. The taper arm we will keep white. The on and off switch, boom. I think that's what we're gonna do. And as you can see, I mean, they let you change everything. All the colors that you can change. All the bottom will be a different color. All that. And they also let you change the blade. So since I have the black offsetting, with my orange and white gold balls, and under our coach now, we have brought out the black jerseys. So it's cool to have that black on there. So with the blade, I'm a fade blade type of guy. So we're gonna go with the fade blade. But as you can see, they have the wedge blade, the taper, the gold taper blade, stainless steel, the taper graphite, fade the stainless steel, but we're gonna go with the fade blade black graphite. All right. So we're gonna add to the cart. It's gonna take you to the cart. Shout out to Jay Blends. We're gonna take it to the cart right there, and it, got everything broke down. We're gonna get to the pricing as well here in a second. We're just gonna go back. Actually, I should have pressed start over, and then boom. So we got one in the cart. Now we're gonna go to the trimmers. And at the trimmers, we're gonna do pretty much the same thing. Housing, orange, handle, orange. So we're just gonna go through this real quick. And now that we got the trimmer in there, and we also have the clipper. Now we're gonna go to add us a shaver. So this is my first time actually adding a shaver to it. So boom, you got different colors. Of course you got the same colors, but we're gonna go orange. And I think we're gonna keep that cap. Now we're gonna go all orange and keep the power button. So you see it got the details into it. This is a nice little app for you to be able to, make everything custom, make everything that it's your own. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you like using Babyliss clippers and trimmers, you can go into this app and make everything your own. So we're gonna add to the cart, and boom. Of course, you don't have to buy everything at once, but as you can see, a custom foil shaver, $149, $209 for the trimmer, $259 for the clipper, right? But like I was saying, we have a code now. So you do Reggie 10, apply, and boom. You see how much we just dropped off of there, all right? So now you proceed to check out, and you got you some savings right there. I'm going to put in my information. I'll be back. All right, so I done put in all my information. Now we have the full set on the way. Now, I want to go in here, let you see the frequently asked questions, and to see how long does it take to ship out. Okay, so now that I got my order in, I'm going to show you exactly what your email will look like to an extent. I ain't going to show you everything, but it's we expect the orders to deliver within the 30 days time frame. Rest assured, we're trying our best every order to be shipped out ASAP. So they're telling you it's going to take you at the maximum 30 days to get your order shipped to you. I've seen what I've ordered before, and it only took, I think the last time I ordered only took 2 weeks. All right. So we're going to pause this video, and then we'll be back once my order gets here, and we'll go from there with an unboxing and showing everything that comes in the custom packaging when you're ordering. Yo, Cuts by Reggie. As y'all seen, I just ordered the custom clippers and trimmer and shaver from the Babyliss CustomFX app. Again, if y'all want to order from the custom app or anything from Babyliss, you use my discount code Reggie10, save you some money. All right. So now my products is here. It didn't take as long as I thought it was going to take. It took about a week to get here. So as y'all seen, I showed you the email. The email will tell you that it'll take up to 30 days. And that's cool for a company that at least give you that time frame. You know what I'm saying? So if you're not getting it in 2 weeks, or you can't really say anything because they may be backed up or whatever, right? So if they telling you they give you that 30 days, just take the 30 days, give it some time. But they've been on a order spree right now, and they actually been getting out a lot sooner. All right, so what we about to do is just unbox what I bought. And if y'all, I didn't get the rubber grips. They supposed to send me some rubber grips, and they on their way. So they have just came out with the rubber grip tip that you can order when you get in the custom clippers and trimmers from the app. All right, so got here the foil shaver case. But if you don't want to put your shavers in there, put your guards in there. That's what I would use it for. I mean, of course you can use it for your shaver too, but yeah. So, along with that, they did send me a extra care package. As y'all can see, we got the fading comb, 2 of the clips, a Babyliss brush, and a cape. All right, so you can see it. I don't have to really open that. All right, you see it. So, as y'all know, I'm a Vol fan. Well, if you didn't know, I'm a Vol fan. I'm from Tennessee, go Orange, right? So I got the orange. When you get your order in, it'll have your name, the date you created it, and who made it, right? And if you get of course, if you get them separate, they'll come separate. But if you get them together, the shaver and trimmer will come in the same package. Excuse me. Show you what I got. Get it on out of there. As you can see, I did get the orange, the white tip for my Vols, and then I did get the black on the power button and the logo here. And then I got the black graphite blade just so it can match with the orange and the black. You know what I'm saying? If I use these, I will probably keep that on, or maybe switch to the DLC 2.0 blade. They didn't have it on there at the time for custom order with the DLC 2. I'm pretty sure they'll have it on there. So, of course, you get the same thing. We ready to go. We're ready to go. And then, of course, you get I got the FX2 clipper, orange, kept the same theme. But of course, you know, this got a a lever. So I got the orange lever on there. Everything's still the same. Click lever. You see I got the fade blade put on there, white bottom. This is one thing. So I've ordered from them before, and it's not a big deal, right? But on the hook, I don't know. Maybe it takes too long to paint a hook. Maybe you don't want to go through all that. But maybe if they could let you change the color of your hook as well, I would like that. Because depending on what color that you get, it kind of offset. I don't know. It don't look right. But a lot of people don't even notice the hooks are even there. They don't use them. I won't use them. I'm going to get a crazy good charge box and set them on. All right. Does that sound quieter than the regular ones? I don't know. Maybe they did something different. But those are the Custom FX clippers and trimmers, 7,200 RPM. Yeah, 2 hours of runtime. Cordless. The tape, the hook, exposed blade, 5 taper control. And then of course, you got the shaver. And I think in the video where I was talking about ordering it, I said the single foil shaver, but it's actually the FX2 foil. Comes in a different box. It don't come in a metal casing. See, your name, date you created it, who made it. All right. Of course, it got the information, hypoallergenic gold, the rotary motor, all the good stuff. All right. So let's take this out the box, see how it sounds. Again, you want to order anything, discount code Reggie 10. All right, you do get the cord, of course, and those do have the chargers in there. It's just under there. I didn't open it, but you will get your charger. And then boom, again, kept the same, the orange design with that block with a black lining on it. Got the power button white. Then of course you got the button to take that off white. All right. And that's the shaver. And if you've used one of these shavers, you know how good they are. It's the one that I've been using, but to go with the cordless, I wanted to go orange. Now this one is an older machine, so I won't say that this is quieter because I actually don't remember how quiet it was when I first got it. But over time, it do get louder if it's not the same. All right. So boom, that's all I wanted to unbox real quick. And I don't know if y'all really need a tutorial on if these actually work or anything like that. These are the Babyliss clippers and trimmers that we've been using for I don't know how long. Most of us know how they are. They are good. I love the trimmer. The clipper, only due to the design, I'm not the biggest fan of, but it's still a great clipper. All right, so if you like the videos, thumbs up the videos. If you dislike the videos, there's a thumbs down button. Comment, share, subscribe to the channel. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but if it's before Valentine's Day, you still have time to subscribe to the channel. Go watch the video that I put in the description and up here, and it'll tell you how to enter the giveaway. But if it's after Valentine's, you missed it. You're too late. It's over with. All right. If you like the videos, thumbs up. If you dislike the videos, thumbs down, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll be back with another tutorial or unboxing or review. And I'm out. Peace.